Today I am going to teach you the topic photosynthesis. I know this word is not new to all of you because you are learning about this word from your lower classes only. Now, can you tell me what is the meaning of word photosynthesis? Okay, very good. Okay. Now I will tell you everything about photosynthesis. First, we will see what is the meaning of photosynthesis. What is the meaning of photosynthesis? Here, photosynthesis is a word made up of two words, photo plus synthesis. Photo means light and synthesis means to make. So, the process by which green plants makes food by using carbon dioxide and water as a raw material in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll is called photosynthesis. So, photosynthesis is a process by which green plants make their own food by using carbon dioxide and water in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. So, this is called photosynthesis. Now you have seen that photosynthesis is the process by which green plants make their own food. So you have seen in this that plants take carbon dioxide and water as a raw material to make their own food, but in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll only it makes food. And you know that sunlight is a light energy, and food which is made by the green plants is a chemical energy. So this process can also be defined as the process. Photosynthesis is the process by which light energy, means sunlight energy is a light energy. So light energy is converted into chemical energy of food in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll is called photosynthesis. So photosynthesis can be also defined as the conversion of energy. In this process, light energy is converted into chemical energy of food in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. Now you have seen that what are the two raw materials green plants take to make their own food. Of course, you know that is carbon dioxide, which we get from the air, and water, which plants absorb through its roots. Now you know that carbon dioxide, how this carbon dioxide enters into the plant's body. This carbon dioxide is taken by the green plants by the tiny pores. The plants have tiny pores on its leaves, many tiny pores, and these tiny pores are called stomata, through which carbon dioxide enters the plant's body, and water enters into the plant body through roots, and this carbon dioxide and water together in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll makes food for the plant. But how this carbon dioxide and water enters through this stomata pore? But I will explain you how it actually enters, because this pores help it to enter. But this pore is controlled by the guard cells which is present in the leaves. And when this guard cells swells up by absorbing water, then these stomatal pores get open, and because of which carbon dioxide enters the plant body. And when carbon dioxide and water combine to form food, and at this time carbon dioxide releases oxygen which goes out into the atmosphere through this stomatal pore. So this is how carbon dioxide and water combine to form food in the leaves of the plant, which is also called the kitchen of the plant. Thank you.